friends, welcome to my channel Genuinehut. Friends, to all sisters, happy Raksha Bandhan friends and happy Sunday. And please watch the full video till end. And today is the main important topic, the word problems. Okay friends, now let's start without any disturbance. Okay friends, number 1. The product of two numbers is 42.63. One number is 2.1. Find the other. Friends, they're saying that the product of two numbers is 42. So this is the answer of this one. So this is the answer. So we should put is equals to 42.63 is the answer. So one number is 2.1. What is the other? So it is product, that's why we should put into. And find the other. So other means we don't know that. So we should assume that x or any variable friends. So x is called a variable. So now x is equals to 42.63 divided by 2.1. So now let's do division friends. So 21, 42, 63. So I had said you in the last part 1 in the day. So with Bismarck's part 1 I said that we should not use points when we are doing the when we are doing the division or multiplication. So now 21 ones are 21 twos are 42, 6. So we should do minus, it is 6. So it won't go, we should put it 0. Again we can borrow the 3 down. So 21 3s are 63. So we got remainder 0. So friends, so in divisions we should go to left to right friends, and multiplication we should go to right to left. So that's why point will be here. So 1 plus 2 3, right? 1 1 2 3. So it is 20.3. So if x is equals to 20.3, the other number is 20.3. So now let's double check it friends. 20.3 into 21, right? So we should not do point. So 3 ones are 3, 1 zeros are 0, 2 1 twos are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 3 6 2 4 2. So now it is decimal point is 1, right? So now 1 plus 1 2. So it point will be here 1 2. So 42.363. Okay friends, so by doing the double check we got the answer correct. So therefore the answer is 20.3. The other number is 3. Okay friends, now let's jump into second question. Friends, now let's start second question. The length of a ribbon is 1.28 meters. The length of rope is 2.74 meters longer than the ribbon. What is the length of the rope? So friends, the length of ribbon is equals to 1.28 meters. Okay friends, the length of a rope rope is equals to 2.74 meters longer than the ribbon. So it is 2.74 meters. So friends, here we should calculate the rope and the ribbon. So total friends. So therefore length of rope is equals to 8 plus 4 12, 12 2 3 plus 7 10, 2 plus 2 4. So therefore the length of rope is equals to 4.02 meters. Okay friends, let's jump into the third question. The mass of a jar of sugar is 1.9 kg. what is the total mass of 4 such jars of sugars? So friends, one mass, so okay, sorry, is one mass sugar is 1.9 kg. So what is the total mass of 4 such sugars? So means we should here not do addition, friends. So here we should do multiplication. So they're asking, so what is the total mass of 4 such jars? Means, so now this is 1.9 into 4. So one jar is 1.9 kg. What is the total mass of 4 jars? So 1.9 into 4. So 1.9 into 4. 1.9 into 4. So 4 into 4 9s are 36. 4 1s are 4. 4 7. After 1 point it is said, so it is 7.6. So therefore, four such of the total mass of 4 such jars of sugar is equals to 7.6. Okay friends, now let's jump into fourth question. A cyclist has traveled 145.8 kilometers in the first stage of race, 136.65 kilometers in the second stage, and 162.62 kilometers in the third. So friends, this is so easy questions. Now let's solve it. So in the first stage, it is 125.8 kilometers. Second stage, it is 136.65 kilometers. Third stage, 162.62 kilometers. So here you should find the total, friends. So now let's do the total. 5 plus 2 7. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 6 20. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 2 9. Sorry, 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 2 15. 8 8 plus 6 14. 4. So therefore the total of these stages is 445.07 kilometers. Okay friends, now let's go and start the last question. James has a rectangular box. The length of a box is 25.78 centimeters and its width is 7.6 centimeters less than its length. What is the area of rectangle? Okay friends, so this is little bit hard, and so concentrate and let's solve it. So length of the box is 25.78 centimeters, right? And width is 7.6. So they're saying that less than its length. So what we should do here? 25.78 minus 7.16. We should do subtraction. 8 minus 6 2. 7 minus 1 6. So here 15. So it will become 1. So 8 plus 7 15. It is 18.62, right? So now what is the area of rectangle? So area of rectangle means it is L into B. Area of rectangle equals to L into B. So breadth is 25.78 into 7.16. Okay friends, so for this I am using calculator because this will become so much big, friends. So that's why I am using the calculator. So it is 25.78 into 77.16 is equals to. So this is the answer, friends. So now I'm gonna go ahead and write it. This is equals to 184.548. So this is the answer, friends. Okay, friends, so this is the end of the part 3, and we have completed our decimal chapter, friends. So I'll meet you in next video with another notification, friends. I'll tell the notification on Tuesday or tomorrow. So meet you in next video. Until that, I'm signing off, friends. Bye.